Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. Now, if your iPhone is not charging, you want to follow these steps to quickly fix it. So let's get started. So if you're having an issue, the first thing is I recommend is if you have a case on, take the case off. Sometimes when you put the charger in, it doesn't connect well, and that could be preventing it from charging. Simple as that. But the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is to clean out your charge port. Now, there's a couple different ways to clean out that charge port here. First thing, take a flashlight or something to see if there's dust, debris, or anything that could be blocking it. You want to take something that's non-conductive that won't damage it. So you want to, like a toothpick or a brush, and simply go ahead and take a look at it and then see if you can get any of that dust, dirt out of it. Sometimes there's buildup of grime and all this other stuff that could potentially be blocking that connection and not charging your iPhone. Now, next thing to do after you clean it out and you see that it is not blocked or there's no dust or debris is to check your cable that you're using. So the newer iPhone 15 now uses USB-C cable that comes in with the new iPhone. So you want to, of course, use that new cable, which is both of the ends are USB-C. And then another thing you want to make sure is you're using this 20-watt one, genuine Apple charger wall adapter. If you're using the 5 one, it won't work, or generic ones, they tend to not to work. Even if you try to charge your phone with like MacBook that has a USB-C or a PC, it won't charge. You need to get one of these blocks. This is a 20-watt block from Apple, which I believe you can get it for $20 or $30 or so. You'll need one of this and connect it to a charger with it. And then if you have an older charger or older block, I recommend it's testing with new ones. Sometimes these can get defective, the cable and the wall adapter, the combination. So try one that you know for sure works, and that should help you. Now, the next thing you want to do is, if you're still having issues and you know the cable is good, is force restarting your iPhone. Now, in order to do it, you're going to press and release. So you're going to do this method here. You're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and you see Apple logo. You let go of that side button. So I'm going to press volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to that side button just like that. Again, all you do is just quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button. Do not slide to power off, because that will be a normal turning on and off. We're going to wait for it to force it to shut down, and then wait for the Apple logo to appear before I let go of that side button. And again, this is known as a force restart, which basically shuts down the phone's software and reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue causing that charging not to work, it will fix it, and it will not delete any of your personal data. And if you don't get it the first time, you might need to do it a few times to get the hang of this. So you can just go ahead and do it again, volume up, volume down, and then hold on to that side button. And sometimes it will take a few tries to get the hang of it. Now, once you have done that, go ahead and connect it to a charger, same exact process, and wait at least half an hour or so to retry this step. But this step is one of the crucial steps to fix any iPhone that's not charging. So to recap the video, first of all, if you have a case or something blocking that charge, take that charge port, take it off. Go ahead and clean out that charge port for dust and any kind of dirt. Check out your cable and the wall adapter. Make sure it's not defective, or get the right cable, which again, the wall adapter, which is a 20-watt one for the newer iPhones. And then, of course, do a force restart, and your iPhone should be charging again. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys in the next video.